Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G so you can share your internet with other devices in seconds. First, unlock your phone and go to your settings app. You can also swipe down the notification panel and tap the gear icon. Next, tap on connections. This is where you will find Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more. Scroll down and tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Then just toggle the switch to turn on mobile hotspot. So here you will see your hotspot name and password. You can tap to change them. Now from any other phone or laptop, just connect to the Wi-Fi network you named and enter the password. And that's how you enable and use the mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.